Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Are you ready for some fun today?
Oh, I'm already excited, Clara, because today's topic is something super important: health.
Health! Yay! Just hearing that word makes me want to stretch and feel strong already.
That's right. Today we'll learn easy English about health and how to talk about feeling good and staying fit.
So grab some water, take a deep breath, and let's talk about health together.
All right, Clara, let's start with something simple. What does the word health mean to you?
Health means feeling good in your body and your mind.
Exactly. And we can talk about health in many ways, like what we eat, how we move, and how we rest.
Yes, because being healthy is not only about not being sick, it is about feeling happy and strong every day.
I like that. Happy and strong.
Arthur, do you think you live a healthy life?
Maybe half healthy? I eat vegetables, but I also love pizza.
That is okay. Balance is important.
True. So today, let's learn some useful English words and sentences about health.
Great idea! Let's start with simple vocabulary.
The first word is healthy. It means good for your body.
For example, an apple is healthy, but too much candy is not healthy.
Right. The next word is exercise. It means moving your body to stay strong.
You can say, I exercise every morning, or I like to exercise with my friends.
Another word is sleep. Our body needs sleep to rest and grow.
I love sleep. I need at least 8 hours every night.
Same here. Good sleep makes us feel fresh.
Let's teach some short sentences now.
Okay, say it with us, everyone. I feel healthy today.
Good job! Now say, I need to eat healthy food.
Very nice. One more. I go for a walk every day.
Walking is one of the best and easiest exercises.
Yes, and it also helps your mind relax.
Arthur, do you like walking in the morning or evening?
I like morning walks. The air feels clean and cool.
I like evening walks, when the sun goes down and everything feels calm.
So both are good for health.
Let's play a little game now.
Oh, I love games.
I will say a word, and you tell me if it is healthy or not healthy.
Okay, I am ready.
Broccoli.
Healthy.
Ice cream?
Not healthy, but very tasty.
Haha, yes, but only sometimes.
Okay, next.
Water.
Healthy. Very healthy.
Chips.
Not healthy.
Very good. You got them all right.
Yay!
Let's ask our viewers too. Say it with us. Healthy or not healthy?
Chocolate.
Tricky one.
I say sometimes healthy if it is dark chocolate.
Good answer. Moderation is key.
Viewers can also write in the comments what food they think is healthy.
Yes, we love reading your answers.
Let's move to some daily health habits.
Sure. What is your morning routine, Arthur?
I wake up early, drink water, stretch my body, and eat breakfast.
That sounds perfect. What about you, Clara? I do a little yoga, eat fruit, and listen to music.
Music is also good for health.
Yes, it makes you happy and relaxed.
So we can say healthy body and happy mind.
Let's teach this phrase. Say it with us, everyone. Healthy body and happy mind.
Excellent. Now, let's talk about feelings when we are not healthy.
good idea. Sometimes we feel tired or sick.
When we feel sick, we can say, I don't feel well,
Or I have a headache.
or my stomach hurts.
You can also say, I have a cold.
Let's repeat together. I don't feel well.
I have a headache.
My stomach hurts.
I have a cold.
Great job, everyone.
If someone says they are sick, what can we say to them?
We can say, get well soon, or I hope you feel better.
Very nice and kind.
Yes, kind words also help people feel healthy inside.
That is so true.
Let's do a mini role play.
Okay,
I will be sick, and you be my friend.
sure. Let's start.
Hi, Clara. I don't feel well today.
Oh no, Arthur, what happened?
I have a sore throat and a headache.
You should rest and drink warm tea.
Thank you, Clara. You are a good friend.
Get well soon, Arthur.
Thank you. I feel better already.
That was nice.
Yes, this is how we can talk kindly about health in English. Health is something everyone should care about. If you are healthy, you can work, play, and smile every day.
That's true. So, Arthur, let's start with some easy words.
Good idea. The first word is healthy. Healthy means your body feels good.
For example, I eat fruits and vegetables, so I am healthy.
The next word is sick. Sick means your body does not feel good.
Like when you have a fever or cough, you can say, I am sick today.
Another word is tired. It means you need rest or sleep.
Yes, after a long day, I feel tired.
Let's learn strong. Strong means you can move and play easily.
And weak means you have little energy. You need food or rest.
Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. I am healthy.
I am sick.
I am tired.
I am strong.
I am weak.
Great job, everyone. You're learning fast.
Let's learn a few more short sentences about health.
I don't feel well.
I have a fever.
I have a headache.
I have a stomachache.
I need to rest.
I need a doctor.
Very good. These are simple and useful every day.
Now, let's play a short guessing game. I will give clues. You guess the word.
I love games. Let's play.
First clue. It hurts in your head. What is it?
Headache.
Correct. Second clue. You sneeze and cough. Your nose is wet.
Cold.
Yes. Third clue. Your body feels hot. What is it?
Fever.
Excellent. You are so smart.
Now, let's talk about good habits for health.
Number 1. Drink water.
Yes, drink enough water every day. It helps your body work well.
Number 2. Eat fruits and vegetables.
Fruits and vegetables give vitamins and make you strong.
Number 3. Sleep early.
Sleep helps your brain and body rest.
Number 4. Exercise.
Walk, run, dance, or play outside. Exercise keeps you active.
Number 5. Wash your hands.
Wash before you eat and after going outside. It keeps you safe from germs.
Let's repeat together. I drink water.
I eat fruits.
I sleep early.
I do exercise.
I wash my hands.
Excellent. These are healthy habits.
Now, a mini role play. You go to see the doctor.
Hello, doctor. I don't feel well.
What's wrong?
I have a fever and a sore throat.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, a little.
Okay, you should rest, drink warm water, and take medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
That's it. Easy and useful English for the clinic.
Let's learn some new words. Doctor, nurse, medicine, fever, cough, rest.
Great vocabulary. Let's repeat. I need a doctor.
I need to rest.
I have a cough.
I have a fever.
Well done.
Health is not only the body, it is also the mind.
Right. When you feel sad or worried, it also affects your health.
You can talk to friends, play, or listen to music to feel better.
And always smile. Smiling makes your day brighter.
Let's try a small breathing exercise. Take a deep breath in, hold it, and breathe out.
Nice. That helps you calm down.
Now, a fun quiz about healthy habits. I'll give clues and you answer.
Ready.
You do this after playing and before eating. What is it?
Wash hands.
Correct. You do this to make your teeth clean.
Brush teeth.
Great. You do this every night to rest your body.
Sleep.
Good job. You all did great.
Now, let's learn some health expressions.
Take care.
Get well soon.
Are you okay?
I feel better.
I'm feeling a little ill.
Very good. Say these to friends or family.
Let's talk about healthy food.
Fruits like apples, bananas, and oranges are great.
Vegetables like carrots, spinach, and broccoli keep you strong.
Eggs, chicken, beans, and milk are good for protein.
Colorful food means healthy food. Eat different colors every day.
Let's practice. I eat fruits every day.
I eat vegetables for dinner.
I drink milk in the morning.
Wonderful. You are learning quickly.
Now, a short quiz. What do you drink when you are thirsty?
Water,
What do you eat for vitamins?
fruits, and vegetables.
What do you do before bed to be healthy?
Sleep early.
Perfect.
When someone is sick at home, keep them warm and give them water.
Tell a parent or an adult.
If it is serious, go to the doctor.
Never take medicine without an adult.
That's right. Now let's learn some school health sentences. I feel dizzy.
Are you okay?
I am not feeling well today.
May I go to the nurse, please?
How can I help you?
These are good to know.
Let's do a short school role play.
Clara, you look pale. Are you okay?
I feel dizzy.
Sit down. I will call the nurse. Do you need water?
Yes, thank you.
That's how you ask for help.
If you feel sick, always tell your teacher or parent.
Now, let's move our bodies. Repeat and act with us. I run in the park.
I jump and play.
I dance and laugh.
I eat an apple.
Exercise makes you happy.
Let's review vocabulary quickly. Fever means high body temperature.
Cough means you make a sound when you are sick.
Fever means pain in your throat.
Sore throat means pain in your throat.
Stomachache means pain in your belly.
Allergy means your body reacts to something.
Injury means when you get hurt.
Medicine helps you feel better.
Vaccine protects you from illness.
Nurse helps the doctor.
Clinic is a small place for checkup.
Hospital is a big place for sick people.
Now, let's practice together. I feel great.
I need a rest.
I am getting better.
I will see the doctor.
Great job, everyone.
Now, a small role play.
Hi, I heard you are sick. What can I do?
Please rest and drink water.
Thank you. Please sleep and get well soon.
Use these sentences to care for friends.
Now let's do a quick recap. Words like healthy, sick, tired, strong, weak, fever, cough.
Phrases like, I don't feel well, I have a headache, I need to rest, get well soon, take care.
Habits like drink water, eat fruits, sleep early, wash hands. Perfect.
Let's play, repeat, and add. I drink water.
I drink water and juice.
I eat fruits.
I eat fruits and salad.
I sleep early.
I sleep early and wake up happy.
Try this at home with family.
When you have a fever, rest and drink water.
When you feel sad, smile or talk to a friend.
When you eat, wash your hands first.
Let's do one last mini role play.
Hi, are you okay?
Hi, I have a little fever.
Rest and drink water. I will bring soup.
Thank you. You are a good friend.
See how small, kind words can help?
Let's say these together. I am healthy.
I take care of my body.
I take care of my mind.
I help my friends.
I rest when I am sick.
You did great today.
Perfect. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Tell us your healthy habit in the comments.
Share your sentences too. We will read them.
Keep practicing and smile every day.
Stay strong, stay kind, and keep learning English.
See you in the next video.
Remember, a healthy mind lives in a healthy body.
Every time you learn a new English word, your brain gets stronger. Keep learning, keep growing, and stay healthy in body and mind.